You are watching my channel TechZone and DIY. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Thank you very much. Welcome back, folks. So as you have seen in my previous video that I had prepared a power supply converted from the satellite power supply, and that's giving around 5 amps of current. So I'm gonna put that power supply to a good use. So I have this CD-ROM drive box. So I took everything out from this box because this was pretty old style. This was an IDE CD-ROM stuff. So I took out this card from inside the box. You see this IDE old style is of no use. So, and what I did is I made all those connections inside. I kept this plastic thing here, and then I just screwed this in with 3 wires, and I have this static wire. There is no on-off button here, but this is how it is. And I installed a fan because this once this closes, then there is no vent inside this box. And this is not aluminum, this is steel, iron stuff, and that's not very good conductor of heat. So I installed this box. This has a hollow point already inside this one, so it was covered. I took everything out from there, and here I installed a fan. So this will go like this. This will be on top of it. It's gonna suck out the air from here. This is a step up boost converter, a very small one. And as you had seen that I had originally kept 3.3 volts, as I said in my video. So I'm gonna use 3.3 volts and connect this to this one. It will give me out 9 volts out, and that will go to the router. And this will be variable. I can put it up to 12 volts if I want to. And this will go over here. This will go like this, and the reason for this one is because I cut a hole right on top of where this gadget is, and I want to keep it away from rest of the stuff because there will be so many wires around here. So I kept it a little further up, and I have made a screwdriver just for this purpose. This is I put a hole so it's easier. It gets and holds it there, so it goes like this. Okay. All right, so I put these holes here. They were earlier holes, and they were on the wrong side, so I put these holes. So I'm gonna put this in. So I have made those connections. This is 3.3 coming to this gadget, and then I am putting LED here as I told before, but I put in 330 ohm resistor in series because just for LED, not for the main current, because I know when there is a load, 3.3 is not regulated. It can jump even up to 5 or 6 volts, and the output here is gonna be 9 volt. All other connections are just 12 volts connections. So I have made 2 connections. This is the third one, and so in total I made 3 connections already. So this is the 4th one in total. Now is the time to close the lid. However, I am thinking of installing a voltmeter here so that I know what is the main voltage. I am more concerned about 12 volt out. As you see that this fan is on, but when I will close this box, so there is nothing on top of the box to intake the air. So this will go like this, and there are no much holes really. So I put in extra holes, this one and this one, and there are some tiny holes all along, and I have aligned these holes with this heat sink for the MOSFET, and this hole goes this way and this goes to the diode, the power diode. So I believe most of the air will be sucked from here. Alright, so I have installed this power supply that I made, and this is excellent voltage. The real load will come in night, because then night lights will be on the camera, and there is one night light here as well, and there's one outside, and then of course we have one each for the cameras. I have 2 cameras installed, and then this router is also installed. So that is running on 9 volts, and all of the stuff is running on 12 volts.